size and skin quality look good here.
The tester confirms. Readings are optimal.
High-quality layers potato variety, Lady Rosetta, being lifted from soil. Perfect round shape.
Temperature gauge checks out, and the paperwork is in order. All right, crew, you can start unloading now.
Filtration levels are stable across all parameters.
Confirmed. The water quality is optimal for the next batch.
Potatoes exiting final wash stage, glistening with clean water. Contamination-free zone.
The adhesion seems consistent up to the 50mm mark.
Yes, the tensile strength is holding well within the parameters.
I'm bringing the thickness down by 2 millimeters. Looks consistent now, much better yield.
Industrial grade vibration separator, distributing Lay's potato slices uniformly, reducing clumping before the rinsing stage.
Protective glass shields surrounding the slicing tunnel, Lay's potato slices moving at high velocity underneath, illuminated by food-safe LED tubes.
Lay's potato slices drifting smoothly through heavy industry stainless rinse channels, crystal clear water removing starch in a fully sanitized zone.
Check the turbidity on stage 3.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Looks stable.
Good, we are within Lay's specifications.
Fully enclosed rinse line with protective shields. Lay's potato slices gliding forward under food-safe lighting.
Industrial-grade humidity sensors verifying that Lay's potato slices are rinsed perfectly before frying. Safe workflow all around.
Industrial oil filtration system removing impurities instantly, keeping Lay's potato slices frying in clean food-grade oil.
Emergency steam suppression system installed around the fryer, ensuring secure handling as Lay's potato slices fry.
Freshly fried Lay's chips entering industrial air cooling tunnels. High airflow ensuring safe and uniform cooling.
Safety-labeled walkways around cooling machinery, ensuring secure operation while Lay's chips travel forward.
Flavor injectors calibrated to micro-accuracy, ensuring perfect Lay's taste profile. Large sealed flavor tanks, storing Lay's powders in a clean, controlled environment.
Throughput on the blue line is up 15% since the upgrade.
That's better than projected. Are the error rates stable?
Yes, holding steady at 0.02.
Reject bin sealed tightly as defective Lay's chips fall into it.
Performance indicators glowing green, confirming accurate Lay's chip sorting cycles.
Nitrogen gas flooding Lay's bags to preserve freshness in a safe, hygienic packaging corridor. Batch labels and expiry codes scanned automatically on Lay's cartons.
Almost there, longest shift ever.
I know, right? See you tomorrow, Charles.
Yeah, see you guys. Have a good night.